In this video, I'll show you how to transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. So I think the USDT TRC20 is currently on the Tonkeeper. So I think it's enabled there. So if you're sending USDT or if you're transferring USDT from a Tonkeeper to Binance, you know it's going to be the USDT TRC20. So open up your Binance. Wait for it to open up. Okay, once it has opened up, what you need to do, click on the search. Come on here, type in USDT. So this is it. So what you need to do now, you click on the add, the first option. Now, the USDT TRC20 is the first option. So once you tap on it, you're going to be able to get your USDT TRC20 wallet address. So go back to your Tonkeeper. So move down, you're going to be able to see the USDT TRC20 transacts here on your Tonkeeper. So if you click on this, you can see, okay, what is going to come out here? So once I've copied the address, click on send. Paste your wallet address here, USDT TRC20 wallet address. Once I've pasted it, choose the USDT. So you can be able to come on here, enter the amount you want to send. And once you're done, click on the continue. It's going to go through. So this is how you can be able to send or transfer USDT from Tonkeeper to Binance. If you find this video helpful, please share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.